Hey, hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Roddy Bonshot again. Today I'm so much excited today because I'm gonna be showing how you can make $20 all the way up to $50 to $100 a day working a few hours on a computer. And the best part is, this one I'm about to show you here is worldwide, so don't really be worrying so much whether you're coming from China or you're coming from India or whatever country you're coming from. This method I'm about to show you covers everywhere, every aspect in the world, alright? So just follow me, and plus I want you to stay tuned to the end of the video so you won't miss any other important things, as most people, most guys do, alright? Also, if you're new here, please I want you to hit the thumbs up. So what we're actually gonna do today is an affiliate marketing. When I say affiliate marketing really is actually finding products on digital products online that you can sell to others. And once you make any sales, you earn commission. That's what affiliate marketing. But today I'm not gonna dive really into what an affiliate marketing, because there are a lot of technologies in this industry. But in the future videos that I'll be doing, I'll explain more and more what an affiliate marketing is, and I really promise you that. Alright, so what we're gonna do is an affiliate marketing. So we're gonna find the best affiliate network. When I say affiliate network, it's a popular website, broad website that you can sell and promote digital products on. Alright, and one of the websites that I'm gonna show you is Zagweb. As you can see at the top left corner here, Zagweb. Alright, the first link in the description is this website, is Zagweb. So if you want to follow me, guys, I want you to pause this video, scroll down a little bit, and then click on the first link in the description so you can follow me, and you're gonna really understand it, and very simple. If you're new to this channel, please I want you to subscribe to this channel, because I'm doing videos like this every single day to show you a whole lot of different ways that you can make some serious money online. I work fully online, alright? What I wake up in the morning after meditating, actually work online every day, and I'm making over thousands of dollars online. Alright, I don't have any real job, I just work online and I'm making serious money. Alright, so this method I'm about to show you is actually what I did. It works for me. That's what I'm about to show you to you. Alright, it worked. As far as it working for me, it means it will also work for you. So take it seriously, and first of all, don't share the video now because I'm not giving you any value. Alright, don't share the video now, just hit the like button, the thumbs up. Yeah, hit that like button, and let's continue at the count of three. I want 3, 2, 1. Now let's go. So the website I'm gonna talk about is Zagweb. As I said earlier, Zagweb is an affiliate network. So what we're gonna do when you're on this website is you're actually gonna create an account. That's if you don't have an account, you're gonna create a Zagweb account. But if you're here, you can scroll down to view more details and read a whole lot of more about Zagweb. But I'm not gonna do that here. You can do this on your own, alright? So we're gonna create an account, and it's so simple to create an account. But I'm actually gonna log into my account because I already have that web account. Alright. Alright. So here I'm gonna type in my email. It's already here. Alright, and my password. And then proceed. Boom. So here we are on the web market. Alright, here you can, as you can log out, you can and a whole lot of stuff here. This is basically what I've earned so far. Alright, this is what I've earned so far. I'm not selling anything on that web, that's why I have $0 here. Alright, but this I'm actually operating on that web as an affiliate. I mean, I actually grab people products, sell and make commissions. This is the same thing I'm about to show in this video. And just today, my total result. Right, averaging my clients, my visitors, my sales, commission earned. Alright, this is my total earned just today. And if you really stay committed to what I'm about to show you, you can also make even more than what I'm having here. Alright, you can make what I'm having here if you stay very committed and take everything that I say seriously. Alright, so when you come here, what you gonna do? Alright, you can actually click on this link here. It says marketplace, so you're gonna click on marketplace, and it's gonna take you to a page that looks exactly like this. Alright, here we have a bunch of data products, a whole lot of products we can sell to make some serious commission. Alright, so on the left screen here we have the niches that you can select any product from. We have get some fun products, we have fitness, we have family, education, email and marketing, dating, love, and a whole lot of it. Alright, so we can actually select any random product to promote. Alright, so let's say we want to promote this product here, that's video maker FX. Alright, if you say we want to promote this product, what we gonna do? You first gonna actually, this product here is paying you $13.50, and the video description about this product here, and the product, our average price is $207 and it's paying you 30.50 cents. This product only have over 1,000 sales. Alright, meaning the vendor is making some serious sales. So you can compare how the commission you're gonna earn from different products here. This paying 23% commission, or $90 commission. This also paying $30. Alright, so let's say we just want to promote this offer here, video maker FX. This is a video creation software. Alright, so once you're okay with the commission that you want to earn, another thing that you're gonna do is actually you're gonna click on this button here, says promote now. Alright, you're gonna click on promote now, and you're gonna see something like this. You're gonna actually select all this link here, that's your affiliate link. Alright, and we're gonna copy this link. It says copy. We come down here, so showing your affiliate link with inbuilt Billy link shortener. Billy is actually a link shortener too, so we're gonna shorten our link. This link is not really concise, it's so much dirty, so we're gonna paste our long link here, and then we're gonna click on shorten. In a few seconds, boom, is down. We're gonna click on copy. This is our affiliate link that we're gonna share, and I'm gonna show you the best ways to share affiliate links to generate some serious money. Alright, so let's close this. One of the best ways that you can share your affiliate link is on Twitter. Alright, Twitter is free. You can share your affiliate links on Twitter and a whole lot to grab more views, more sales, and more visitors, more clicks. Alright, so let's say what we're gonna talk about our product that we are promoting. So you can see something like, hey, what is there best video creation software? Oh, sorry, I'm gonna stick here. Alright, and what is the video? And then what you're gonna do is actually you're gonna paste your affiliate link at the bottom here. You can add something like, someone show me this. Check it out. Alright. Alright. So this so the point is, why are we actually adding this whole description here? It's not really much. What we are actually doing is actually we want to grab people's attention to our affiliate link. So when they say, hey, what if somebody reads this and really get interested in what you want to do, so they click on the affiliate link and they will take them to a sale page. A sale page is where the product actually is being sold that anybody can make payments. Alright, so you can earn your commission. So when they click on the link, it's gonna drive them to your sale page. And what a sale page is really considerable. Now they can be influenced and make some purchases. Alright, okay, so yeah guys, what I just showed you is Twitter here, and here you can, Twitter is one of the best ways to share affiliate links. You can also share affiliate links on Facebook, on Quora, on WhatsApp. You can even share your affiliate link on WhatsApp. But unlike Facebook has some restriction governing your sharing any links. Alright, it's really strict. So in the future videos, I'm gonna show you how to actually promote your affiliate links on Facebook. Alright, very smart way. Facebook is generating a whole lot of money for me. Actually, it's really serious, but you're gonna be very smart sharing your affiliate link on Facebook. Alright, so once you can also grab your affiliate link and you can share on Quora. Quora is also a good place to share affiliate links. Alright, so this method I just show you here, you can replicate them on Facebook and other platforms as well. As I said, or you can even do this on your WhatsApp account. Alright, and once they make some purchases, you're gonna earn some commission. So that brings us to the end of this video. If you think I gave you a value, please I want you to smash out the like button, share this video to your friends, please. I really need it, but that's what I need you to do. Share this video to your friends.